It's a 2011 Honda Pilot. Premium space, spirited performance, and a healthy dose of fun for everyone makes this the perfect crossover SUV for the entire family. A great vehicle is comprised of great features like these: V6 engine, dual zone climate control, AM/FM satellite radio, auto-dimming rearview mirror, manual tilting steering column, key fob activated rear windows, auxiliary audio input, express open and closed sliding and tilting sunroof, HomeLink garage door transmitter, and front heated leather bucket seats. Motor Trend reports Honda has redefined an already capable package in ways that should spike its desirability index with both core and conquest buyers. Every Honda is designed with the driver in mind. There's even more to see in person. Take it for a test drive today.
We're conveniently located at 3400 Highway 61 North in White Bear Lake, Minnesota.